Beautiful glam girls, and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a fashion over curve haul. I am so excited to show you guys these items. They're so beautiful, perfect for the upcoming holiday season, and I have kind of like everything color coordinated, so I hope you guys are excited. This first piece is super cute, so let's get into it. This first dress is a gorgeous chiffon dress that has this beautiful double layer look to it. It also has a zipper on the side, on the left side. As you can see, the top of it I left a little bit open because I was by myself and I couldn't quite get it. But I love the one shoulder detail. I love the fact that it's the left shoulder that's open because that's a shoulder that I like to show. So I love the design of this. I think it looks really expensive. It's not extremely stretchy. It does have a nice, decent stretch. It does also have some ruching on the sides, and as well as the front, which give it a little bit more coverage across the belly area. It's just so figure flattering, figure hugging, and it's gorgeous. Is this really beautiful hunter deep emerald beautiful dress, and I thought it was so unique because it has one bat wing that's really long and almost is like a mini cape, as you can see on the left side, and then the right side is a regular bat wing. I just thought that was so unique and so beautiful. I feel like this is like the perfect holiday dress for like your office party or something like that. For me, because of my hips, I just wish the front was a little bit longer. It does have a pretty high slit, so for me I would either get it tailored to be sewn shut, or I would just put like a pin down just to give it some more coverage in the front. But it's a beautiful, stretchy, slinky, shiny material. I just think with some shapewear and a few little tweaks, this would be such a gorgeous dress for a holiday party. This beautiful peplum top. You guys know I love a good peplum. This one is beautiful. It has so many of the elements that I love. First of all, it has the off-shoulder look. It also has the nice bone v-neck. It has the beautiful like peasant bubble sleeves. It has ruching, and it's like a little bit too much going on, but in a good way, in all the right places. Also because it's completely black and the material is really nice. You can see that the sleeves are kind of like a see-through meshy material, and then everything else is opaque. And because it's a nice deep black, it doesn't look tacky or overdone. It also has a little bit of a tie waist. You can tie it however you like, or in the back if you want. And I just think it is a beautiful go-to top that I would definitely be wearing. The next piece is a sweater dress. I'm really into sweater dresses. I'm trying to figure out how to wear them more and get more use out of them. So I do like sweater dresses, but I find myself like not committing to them. So this year I'm trying to branch out a little bit and wear more sweater dresses. This one is a beautiful like deep olive color. I love the color. I'm really loving greens and olives right now. And then I love that it has the tie waist with the wrap detail. I also love the slightly bubble kind of sleeve. And this material is really cozy as well. It's super sweater like material. It is on the warmer side, so I definitely would wear this when it actually is cold outside. For me, my thing is like my belly lines, like I get uncomfortable with how they show, but maybe with some shapewear I could get away with this. I think it's super pretty on me though, and I do like the color. I like the length. I just think overall it's really chic and classy. So next piece are these fleece leggings, and I was showing them to you so you could see like this is what I would wear under a sweater dress in the winter or with like a long tunic. I wanted to show you how stretchy they are. You can see that these would definitely fit a 2, 3, 4X, and they are fleece lined. So they're really, really cozy. The band on the top is also really thick, like shapewear, but very comfortable material. And I'm also going to show you guys the inside label if you want to pause the video to look at the actual label. Next piece is another sweater dress, and this one is a sweater material, but not as cozy and stretchy. This one's a little bit more structured and it's a little bit more ribbed. You can see it's knee length. It also features that little bit of a peasant bubble sleeve, which I love how that looks. I love the lines and kind of like striped look to this. I love the color as well. You guys know I love anything nude or neutral, beigey. This one did give me trouble because the outside materials you can see is super, super stretchy, but because it is a bit see-through, it does have a lining, but the lining wasn't stretchy enough to cover my hips. So you can see like there's a little bit of bulkiness on my belly. That's because the lining underneath stops at my belly. Like that's as far as it goes. It won't fit down my hips. So with this one, I still would wear it. Even with the lining not fitting me, I would just cut the lining off at the bottom and then just wear it with leggings or shorts or shapewear just to give me that double line support. So don't be shied away from this. I definitely still think it's worth it. Even if the lining, you can see I'm showing the lining on the top. It's like a nice nude lining, but for me, it doesn't cover my hips. Next dress is probably my favorite from the whole haul. This one gives me super Selena vibes. I just really felt like this material, the color, the glitteriness, the sleeves, super Selena inspired. Fashion Nova does have a lot of pieces that are Selena inspired, and this one is no different. The color is gorgeous. It's so multifaceted. It has that beautiful glittery material. I love that this dress is super 70s inspired. I also appreciate that there's no crazy cutouts. It's sexy but still comfortable. This is a great, again, another holiday look. I wish it was a little bit longer, but even on me, I still think that it was a good length. I love that it's not too much of a deep V-neck. I love that it has almost like a drop waist, so you get a little bit of the bagginess on top. So if you're someone with a really big chest, this is a great option. If you're someone who doesn't want to show their arms too much, this is a really great option. And the color and the glitteriness of it is so unexpected because it's still glittery, but it's not a traditional gold sequin dress. This is something different for the holidays, and I really love it. Next piece is something else that I was really loving. I love that Fashion Nova always comes out with these beautiful like crushed velvet dresses. This one, I wish it was longer. Again, that's like my biggest complaint. Because of my hips and thighs, I need longer dresses. But still, I would wear this with maybe black tights underneath if I was wearing it out. It's just so freaking beautiful. I also love the ruching on the sides. To me, that ruching on the sides is what really snatches my waist, because the fact that I have to pull down dresses, it kind of makes my waist look bigger sometimes, but the ruching is what really like sucks in that little waist area. Again, I love the deep V-neck with the off the shoulder and long sleeves. The crushed velvet is gorgeous. It is so beautiful. It looks so expensive. I love the way it feels. I love the floral print. But again, the colors are so royal and deep and beautiful that it would be a gorgeous holiday dress as well. Piece is a really simple, super comfortable sweater dress. This one is really slinky. You could actually size down in this one because it stretches super easily. It's like the more thin, super stretchy sweater dress material. So this one you could size down if you want a really fitted look, because once you wear it, it does stretch a little bit. This one is also a little bit see-through, as you can see, so I would recommend wearing like a shapewear or a slip, or even again leggings, or some type of fleece leggings or something. It's really cozy. I love the like bell sleeves, and I also love like the loose cowl neck turtleneck vibe with the ribbed detail. The color is beautiful. Just a nice simple like go-to piece when it's cold. You throw this on with some boots and leggings and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.